India is violating human rights in occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Pir Dastgeer Srinagar massacre of 8th May 1991 is a grim reminder of the Indian forces' brutalities on innocent Kashmiris. Indian troops associated with the Central Reserve Police Force and Border Security Force opened fire on thousands of the people who had assembled in Pir Dastgeer Khanyar locality of the downtown Srinagar on 8th May 1991 to bury some martyred Kashmiris, killing 18 civilians on spot. One infant and his father were also killed in the firing. When International Mother's Day is being observed across the world today, thousands of Kashmiri women continue waiting for the return of their sons, subjected to enforced disappearance in custody by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir and detained in different jails. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on International Mother's Day pointed out that continued Indian state terrorism had resulted in the killing of 96,192 Kashmiris, including women and children, from 1989 to 8th May 2022. As many as 22,960 women have been widowed by the Indian forces and 11,257 raped, disgraced or molested during the period. In utter violation of the UN-recognized disputed status of the occupied Kashmir, New Delhi has awarded contract of mining in 2 sites located along the line of control in Kupwara on 99 years lease to an Israeli company. This has been confirmed by a leaked official agreement of lease between the Indian government and the Israeli-based Arava Mining's firm. The agreement has come to fore wherein the Israeli company has been given Nichama and Hanjikot mining sites in the occupied territory. All-Party Hurriyat Conference leaders Mir Shahid Salim, Israr Ahmed, Davinder Singh Bahal, Narendra Singh Khalsa and Aqib Ahmed have strongly condemned the ongoing human rights violations in Pir Panjal, Poonch and Rajouri area of the Jammu region by the Indian Forces personnel. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference leaders in their statements issued in Jammu said that frequent raids on the houses of civilians are negatively impacting the mental health of the respective families, particularly the women and children. They deplored that India uses such evil tactics in the occupied Kashmir under a wicked agenda. Complete shutdown will be observed in occupied Kashmir and Azad Kashmir on May 22nd against the India's illegal move of holding the G20 meeting in Srinagar, with Kashmiris living abroad to hold anti-India protest in all major capitals of the world on the day. The strike will be meant to convey a message to the world that Modi-led Hindutva government in India is holding the Group 20 meeting in internationally recognized disputed territory in violation of the international law. An Indian Border Security Force personnel died and 6 others were injured in a road accident in Poonch district. The incident took place when a vehicle carrying 7 BSF personnel skidded off the road and fell into a 250 feet deep gorge in Mankot area of the district. On the other hand, a man died when his auto rickshaw turned turtle at Vihil area of the South Kashmir's Shopian district. Indian Army's MiG-21 fighter jet crashed in Rajasthan, killing 2 civilians and injured many others. The aircraft crashed near Hanumangarh after takeoff on Monday. The pilot escaped unhurt, while 2 locals died following the crash. Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir and People's Democratic Party have said that the Indian government wants to falsely project normalcy by holding a G20 event while there is an emergency-like situation in the territory. The president of Indian National Congress chapter, Waqar Rasoolwani, talking to reporters after a party function in Srinagar, said the G20 countries should also internally keep an eye on the situation in Kashmir.